A new study links mRNA COVID-19 vaccines to long-term genetic disruption in some patients. Hello, I am Dr. K. Paul Stoller, and this short video is about a newly released scientific study which raises major concerns about the safety of mRNA-based COVID-19 vaccines. In the research paper, Synthetic mRNA Vaccines and Transcriptomic Dysregulation, scientists from several institutions report evidence that these vaccines may cause serious, long-lasting disruptions to how our genes function in certain individuals who experience adverse reactions or develop cancer after vaccination. The study, recently published on the research platform preprints.org, was conducted by scientists from Neo7 Bioscience, the University of North Texas, the McCullough Foundation, and Medicinal Genomics. The researchers used advanced gene sequencing technology to analyze blood samples from 10 patients, 3 who developed neurological, cardiovascular, or chronic fatigue symptoms, and 7 newly diagnosed with cancer, after receiving mRNA COVID-19 vaccines. They compared these samples to over 800 healthy controls. What they found was striking: widespread and persistent dysregulation of thousands of genes, especially in areas related to the immune system, energy production, mitochondria, and cancer-related pathways. Key findings include mitochondrial failure, which is associated with fatigue and neurodegeneration; stress on the ribosomes, the part of the cell that reads RNA to make proteins, suggesting the body is overwhelmed by foreign genetic material; signs of chronic inflammation and coagulation issues, mirroring known vaccine side effects like blood clots, activation of cancer-related genes, and suppression of tumor suppressor pathways; evidence of possible long-term changes to the genome, including suspected reverse transcription, when RNA may get copied back into DNA. Of particular concern was the discovery that patients who developed cancer after vaccination showed genetic patterns typical of early tumor development, including epigenetic reprogramming and immune system overactivation. The researchers conclude that these findings suggest a strong biological link between mRNA vaccines and the development of chronic illness and cancer in some individuals. They call for an immediate halt to further use of these mRNA-based vaccines, especially among those still considering booster doses. While these results are preliminary and yet to undergo peer review, they highlight the urgent need for further independent investigation into the long-term effects of mRNA vaccine technology, particularly as it expands beyond COVID-19 into other areas of medicine. Thank you for watching.